Hello friends, I am Ashik and welcome to my new channel Tech Reptile. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. I am very much excited and nervous about this tutorial because this is the first time on YouTube. So please forgive me if any mistake. Why we should learn Python? Python is an object-oriented and open-source programming language developed in 1980s. Python is one of the most loved programming languages by developers, data scientists, software engineers, and even hackers because of its versatility, and flexibility, and object-oriented features. Many of the web and mobile applications we enjoy today is because of Python's abundant libraries, various frameworks, vast collections of modules, and file extensions. Python is easy to learn and has a clean syntax. It's recommendable for both beginners and experienced programmers. Tech giants using Python: Cisco, Google, IBM, Dropbox, Firefox, Quora, HP, Qualcomm. There are more other giants, maybe they are using Python. 12 major features and applications with Python. Number 1 is data science. Python is the preferred programming language of most data scientists, be it IT operations, software development, or marketing. Currently, every job makes use of data and depends on it to drive their operations. With the release of NumPy and Pandas, Python rose to prominence in the world of data. Python also handles statistical, tabular, and matrix data and also visualizes it with libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn. Moreover, in the data science arena, Python job posting outnumber all others. This indicates the fact that the skill you gain with Python will directly transfer to developing your analytic skills. Number 2. Easy to learn. Python is an easy language to master. This is mainly because of its similarity to the English language. Python syntax is characterized by very few rules and special cases. It's safe to say that in Python the focus is on what you want to do with the code. Anybody can master Python easily. With practice, newcomer can build a basic game in mere days using Python. Another attractive aspect of this programming language is its efficiency and readability. Number 3. Cross-platform and open source. It's been more than 20 years since this language has been running on cross-platform and open source, be it Linux, Windows, or macOS. Python code works on every platform. Another remarkable thing about Python is that it's supported by decades of bug squashing and kickstarting, which ensures that its code works as intended whenever the users run it. Number 4. Versatility, language, and platform. Python remains very relevant today as it can be used in any operations scenario or software development, be it in managing local and cloud infrastructure, working against a SQL database, developing a custom function for Hive and Fig, supporting object-oriented design, or even developing a small tool for the user. Number 5. Vast libraries. Python is supported by Python Package Index, which has 85,000 plus Python scripts and modules accessible to the user. These modules provide prepackaged functionality available to the users in their local Python environment. It can solve diverse problems such as executing advanced data analytics like developing RESTful web services or sentiment analysis and establishing computer version. Number 6, very interesting, high salary. The salary of Python engineers is comparatively higher as compared to others in the industry. In the United States, a Python developer earns an average of $116,000 per year. Number 7, flexibility. Python has several powerful applications integrated with other programming languages like .NET and C# compatible called IronPython, a version with C called CPython, Python combined with Ruby called RubyPython, Python integrated with Java called JPython, Python written with Object-C toolkits called PyObject. Number 8, scripting and automation. What most people don't know about Python is that it can be used as a scripting language. In scripting, the code is written in script form and gets executed. So the code is read and interpreted by the machine and errors are checked during runtime. After the code is checked, it can be used many times. It is also possible to automate specific tasks in a problem by automation. Number 9, artificial intelligence. Without any dispute, artificial intelligence is going to lead the future IT. Python's libraries such as Keras and TensorFlow enables machine learning functionality. Also, libraries like OpenCV aids in computer version or image recognition. Number 10, testing framework. This language is an excellent tool for validating the products or ideas for established enterprises. Python has numerous built-in testing frameworks that deals with debugging and rapid workflows. It tools and modules such as Selenium and Splinter work to make things easier. Python also supports cross-platform and cross-browser testing with frameworks like PyTest and Robot Framework. Number 11, computer graphics. Python can be employed in small, large, online or offline projects. It is used to develop graphical user interface and desktop applications. Its TK interface library enables simple and rapid application development. This programming language is also used in game development, where the logic is written using a module Pygame, which can be also run on Android devices. Last but not least is web development. Python's different frameworks support website development. Python has an array of frameworks for developing websites. Popular frameworks such as Django, Flask, and Pylons are characterized by faster and stable code. This is because they are written in Python. Using Python, the users can perform web scraping, which means fetching details from other websites. That's all for today. Thank you everyone.